So we got another warrior again. Don't ask me how, but we got another warrior. I was going through Facebook Marketplace yesterday, and I seen that somebody posted within the half hour that I seen it, close to me, that this guy had a, I forgot which it was exactly, a 2001 or a 2002 Yamaha Warrior. He said he got kicked out of his house. Landlord said it had to go. So I was the first person to look at it, and he showed me that it ran. It has some old gas in it. It still ran with that old gas, but I'm going to end up flushing that out because he said he had this bike sitting for a little over 6 months or so. So we're going to look at everything. It seems to run fine. Very good throttle reaction. I noticed that this was loose, so things have just got to be played around with. I noticed that the starter switch is screwed into one spot, and it's kind of like almost in the middle, but it runs. It's just, that's that. He said the brake pads are almost shot, so we're gonna go ahead and do that. That's not gonna be right now, but we will order those and get that in. Headlight is working. This one is very dim, but either way, I'd like to change those to the other ones that I had for my 89 Warrior. Probably get the same ones just like that. This has a plow. Just 4 bolts, top, bottom, all around, and it just goes to the front. So when I picked it up, I took the plow off, so I was able to keep it in my pickup truck, which is right there. And so I just took it off. I'm not sure what I'm doing exactly with it. I think I'm going to leave it on for the winter for now. It seems like it just has a... I don't think this was custom made for it. I think the guy just happened to find nice spots to put it, because it doesn't have secure spots, but it is on there tight. It's not a big deal for me, but I'm going to end up taking it off at some point once winter is over. The seat. I know you see the seat. I know it looks great, don't it? Well, we're going to take this bitch off. And the fucking clip don't work as well. So this is what we got going on under it. Shitty battery that's dead. I have never seen this. This guy listed this bike and the plow for $850. So nothing in the description. I asked him if it ran. As soon as he told me it ran, I said I'm coming to look at it. And I looked at it. Oh look, we got a plug right there. I just noticed that. We got a plug right there. That's probably why they're flat. Either way, if they've been sitting, but the seat's a little piece of shit. That's not the stock seat. Even if it is, it has a shitty leather whatever around it. So that's the gas can cover. That's what the actual gas tank looks like. Fucking spider webs. We got a little bit of mold all around. That's alright. Oh, another main thing right here. Oh, the carburetor fell off. Nice. We're gonna figure this out, whatever the fuck is going on with the intake, because we might need to buy a new boot for that. That's always fun. Let's see. Yep, fucking carburetor's falling over. Got a little bit of gunk there, so we're just gonna clean her up.